Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to handle and fix a suspended account on Patreon in 2026. If your account suddenly got restricted or suspended, don't panic. There are a few steps you can take to understand the issue and try to recover it. First, check the email or on-screen message from Patreon. It usually explains why your account was suspended, such as policy violations, payment issues, or identity verification problems. Next, try logging into your account. Sometimes you'll see a limited access screen that shows what actions are restricted and what steps you need to complete. Now check your identity verification and payment settings. Many suspensions happen due to missing verification, invalid ID, or failed payment methods. Update any missing information carefully. Next, review Patreon's community guidelines. If your content accidentally violated a rule, this is important to understand before submitting an appeal. If you believe your suspension is a mistake, go to the Support or Trust and Safety page and submit an appeal. Clearly explain your situation and include any relevant screenshots. After submitting your appeal, you'll need to wait for review. This can take a few days depending on the case. Avoid creating new accounts while waiting, as it may delay the process. And that's it. Most suspended account issues on Patreon can be resolved by fixing verification problems or submitting a clear appeal. Just follow the steps carefully and wait for a response. Hey,